Welcome you guys to Lighthouse Worship. My name is Hugo. In this video we're going to be learning these songs Sundays by Josiah Queen. Original key playing in the capo 2. We're going to be playing original key is key of A. This song is somewhat challenging. A lot of people are requesting it, so I'm just going to make the video already. Thank you guys for those that have chosen to subscribe. Consider it if it's your first time here. I make videos like this all the time. I make all kinds of worship tutorials, worship video related. Go ahead and leave a like, leave a comment down below what you want to see next. But let's get on with this video. Like I said, we're going to be using our capo on capo 2. I'm going to try my best with this one. It's a little bit challenging, but you know, let's try to get the best that we can. I need you like the air that is in my lungs, that sustains my life. I need you like a deer pants for the water in the land that's dry. There's a hunger in my soul and in my heart. I kind of messed up towards the end right there, but you get the gist of it. For this song, there is a fingerstyle picking, but it is very difficult to sing and play at the same time, so I just did regular strumming. I'm going to show the chords first, and then I will show the fingerstyle after that. For the beginning, we're starting off with our E minor. We'll be using our G shapes also, if I haven't said it. We'll be using our G shapes. We'll be starting off with our 6, which is our E minor. So, I need you like the air. So, very quick switch right there. D over F sharp. It's our next chord to your G. That is in my lungs. So, that part, C, G. That is in my lungs. So, in, C, and then lungs is going to be G, right? That sustains my life. So, D chord right there, right? And then it repeats itself back to the E minor. I need you like a deer. D over F sharp G. Pants for the water. So C G again. In a land that's dry. So back to your D chord right there. And then pre-chorus, pretty simple as well. There's a hunger in my soul. So G, D over F sharp, E minor. There's a hunger in my soul, and in my heart I know. So right there it builds a little bit and stops, and then we'll go into the chorus. But in my heart, and in my heart I know. So C, D pretty much. So pre-chorus G, D over F sharp, E minor, and then C, building up that D. That's the idea. Hopefully you got it. Going back to the verse though, there is like a little fingerstyle. You don't have to play it. It's completely optional. You could do the single strumming like I did and just sing. Up to you. So it's gonna be, you're gonna be plucking your bass E chord, and then you're gonna skip a string, and then you're gonna pluck those next to that, which is your D and your G. So your D and your G strings and your bass E. So you're gonna be following that strumming pattern. So it's a down, up, up, down, down. But obviously using your 3 fingers, index, middle finger, and thumb, you're gonna be plucking. So practice that by itself. And then once you got that, you can add the chords, right? So you build up there, you go index on the second string, second fret, first string, and then you go up to your 3rd fret, first string, so on your bass. So you do it open first. All together is going to be your bass open, and then you do the walk up on the bass, and then you keep that bass on the 3rd, and then you drop your thumb down to the second string. You do it open. My bad. So hopefully that makes sense, but we'll be moving on. And if you only ate on Sundays, you would starve down to your bones. If you drove your car on empty, you'd never make it home. I don't wanna live a stagnant, lukewarm faith, and I gotta give my heart with no restraints. So wait for only 8 on Sundays. That is your chorus, you guys. I kind of messed up towards the end. Brand new song, a little bit difficult to sing and play, but hopefully you guys got the gist of it. So chorus, we're starting off with our C chord, and then after our C, we're gonna go to our G. So for the chorus, you guys, we're gonna start off with our E minor. You're gonna do 2 hits on the E minor, 2 hits on the C, and then 1 hit on the G. Okay. If you only ate on Sundays, you would starve down to your bones. If you drove your car on empty. Sorry, 1 hit on the G. And then you build on that D chord. You never make it home. And then we'll start the second part of the chorus. I don't wanna live C, G, a stagnant, lukewarm faith. So right there, I'll be honest with you guys, not sure if that chord is correct or not. I feel like it is, but I could be wrong. They do a B over D sharp, a very difficult chord. B over D sharp, I'm thinking adjusted for the capo. So it's not really B over D sharp, but it's kind of like down here. Technical way to play it, but honestly, you could probably get away by playing a D over F sharp instead. So y'all tell me which one sounds better. So I don't wanna live C, G, a stagnant, lukewarm faith. Or you could do, instead of that, when I gotta a stagnant, lukewarm faith. So you do the D over F sharp if the other one sounds too hard. So it's up to you. The other one, it's on the 7th fret. And I would even say you probably don't even need to add the pinky. You could just do that, right? So I don't wanna live a stagnant, lukewarm faith. So it's up to you if you want to do that or the D over F sharp. Whatever sounds better to you, I guess. And I want to live a stagnant, lukewarm faith. And I gotta give my heart with no restraint. My soul will waste away if I only ate on Sunday. So to starve away, oh Lord. There's a hunger in my soul. So after that post-chorus, you would go down to that pre-chorus. Forgot to go into that, but yeah, don't forget to go into it. You're building, and you just straight into that pre-chorus. So yeah, for post-chorus, I did play a little bit of the chorus there because there is a slight change in that chorus. Ending of the chorus, my soul will waste away. So my soul will waste away if I only ate on sun. So right there it drops. It drops down on the D chord, and then on sun. And then you get a good breath because it's you gotta sing that Sundays, right? My soul will waste away if I only ate on Sundays. It'll be a waste. So you would go right into post-chorus right there, pretty much. My soul will waste away if I only ate on Sundays. That would be a waste. I don't want my soul to starve away. Oh Lord. So that's kind of the idea. Hopefully you guys got it. The chords we'll be playing is so the end of the chorus, right? We drop it on the D. If I only ate on Sundays. So on the days part of Sundays, you would play your C chord. You would be doing the same strumming pattern, that down, down, up, down, down. If you've seen any other Josiah Queen videos, he loves that. He always does that strumming pattern, down, down, up, and it repeats down, down, up, down, down. On Sundays, I don't want. That would be a waste. So that would be a waste. So on waste, for the first part of the post chorus, it's gonna start on our D chord, and then we're gonna go. I don't want my soul to. I don't want my soul to starve. So we're doing E minor, D to the C. Okay, and then after that C, you'll go to your G. Right. So after that G, you're gonna go Oh Lord. So Oh Lord, D, and then E minor. Okay. So all together it should be like this. If you only ate on Sundays, I don't be a waste. I don't want my soul to starve away. Oh Lord. So D, E minor, and then there's a hunger in my. Right into that, and then it builds right back up to the last chorus. That last chorus, he plays it very calmly, just a fingerstyle picking. It's pretty much the same fingerstyle picking that we did at the beginning, so go ahead and do that if you need to, but it obviously is using the chords of the chorus. But yeah, hopefully this video helped you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching till the end. Go ahead and leave a like and subscribe. It really does mean a lot to me, and thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.